The resurrected Hemi engine name has been an effective branding tool for Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and Ram for nearly 2 decades, reviving a passion among the V8 faithful that recalls the golden era of the muscle car. As the companies looked to keep the Hemi compliant with emissions regulations, the manufacturers elected to design a turbocharged 6-cylinder that would replace the Hemi while reducing emissions and increasing fuel efficiency. The Hurricane borrows its name from a classic Jeep engine. The modern version displaces 3 liters, features a pair of turbochargers, and is paired with an 8-speed automatic. The Hurricane is available in a range of power levels, depending on vehicle and trim level. In the Jeep Wagoneer, a full-size SUV, the engine makes between 420 horsepower and 510 horsepower, while the Ram 1500 RHO, one of the brand's off-road truck trims, features a rowdy version that makes 540 horsepower. When the Hurricane was first available in the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer, the inline-6 was rated for 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. That was a measurable improvement over the V8's 16 and 22 mpg fuel economy estimates. For more information on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs, visit the Capital One Auto Learning Center. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the Auto Navigator channels.